All right. So the first word is an adjective. It means marked by rigor, strictness, or severity, rigidly controlled by rule or standard, not loose or lax. The etymology is Latin. It comes from the Latin word meaning to bind tight or to press together. The related word is stretto. The sentence is Japan's refugee policy was already blank, but now the country is cracking down on asylum seekers even more.
Is the word stringent? Stringent. Stringent.
That's correct. The next word is a noun. It means a small guitar of Portuguese origin, popularized in Hawaii in the 1880s, strung typically with four strings that are plucked or strummed with the fingers, and used especially in accompanying songs or dances. The etymology is Hawaiian, and it comes from the Hawaiian word for jumping flute. The related word is manolele, which is a Hawaiian word meaning shooting star. The sentence is She has put aside her career writing history books about the war and now performs uplifting music on her blank via Zoom.
Ukulele. Ukulele. Ukulele.
That's correct. The next word is a noun. It means an elevated plane, a position of esteem. The etymology is Italian to French. It comes from the Italian words for foot of a stall. The related word is pedestrian. The sentence is He wanted a career as an actor, but didn't want to be put on a blank.
Pedestal. Pedestal.
That's correct.